In social media, many say that artificial intelligence will replace programmers. Let's find out if this is really the case. There are a lot of artificial intelligence, for example, the well-known ChatGPT. ChatGPT has been around for almost 2 years, and it hasn't replaced programmers yet. However, the first neural network that can fully replace developers has appeared. It's the artificial intelligence Devin. Devin AI is great in that it's a tool not only for developers but also for end users, who can formulate their software requests in plain language. First, let's see what Devin AI can do to understand if it will replace programmers. Devin AI can create a development plan. It can write the needed code using the same tools as a regular developer. It can independently download necessary files and study documentation, for example, about APIs. It can fix errors in the code. My opinion is that artificial intelligence will not replace programmers for these reasons. Programming is a creative process that depends on many factors. In project development, the responsible person is the programmer. How can an artificial intelligence be responsible for a project? Who would then be accountable? In companies, there is data confidently during project development. It's unlikely companies would trust access to their project to artificial intelligence. However, artificial intelligence such as ChatGPT or Devin can be a good assistant in project development or in learning to program. Artificial intelligence Devin is a new technology that is just developing. Therefore, we will continue to monitor Devin's artificial intelligence. Perhaps I was mistaken and Devin will still replace programmers. What do you think? Write in the comments. Thanks everyone and see you in the next video. Bye!